Hello, this is Gulzar Munawwar from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am thrilled to see your interest for learning the concept about types of market. Your support, engagement, and feedback mean the world to me. We appreciate you being a part of my audience and for being a vital source of inspiration and motivation. Let's begin the video. There are various types of markets based on different characteristics. Here are some common types of markets. Perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market structure characterized by a large number of buyers and sellers who trade homogeneous, identical products. No individual seller or buyer has the power to influence the market price. Example, the market for agricultural commodities, such as wheat or corn, where there are numerous farmers selling identical products. Monopoly. Monopoly is a market structure where there is only one seller or producer who dominates the entire market. The monopolistic firm has significant control over the price and supply of the product. Example, the local electric company in a small town that has exclusive control over the distribution and supply of electricity. Oligopoly. Oligopoly is a market structure where a few large firms or sellers dominate the market. Each firm's actions can affect the market conditions and the behavior of other firms. Example, the automobile industry, where a few major companies, such as Ford, General Motors, and Toyota, have a significant market share and influence over prices and product offerings. Monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition is a market structure characterized by many sellers offering differentiated products. Each seller has some control over the price, as they can differentiate their products through branding, marketing, or product features. Example, the market for fast food restaurants, where there are multiple chains like McDonald's, Burger King, and Wendy's, each offering similar but slightly different products and competing on factors like taste, service, and branding. Oligopsony. Oligopsony is a market structure where there are a few large buyers or consumers of a product or resource. The actions of these buyers can significantly affect the prices and conditions in the market. Example, the market for purchasing agricultural crops, where there are only a few large food processing companies that buy crops from farmers. Monopsony. Monopsony is a market structure where there is a single buyer or consumer of a product or resource. The monopsonistic buyer has significant control over the price and quantity purchased. Example, a company that is the sole purchaser of labor in a small town, where all workers have to seek employment from that one company. These are simplified examples of different market types. In reality, markets can have various characteristics and combinations of these structures, and the dynamics can vary across industries and regions. Once again, thank you for being here with me. Your continued viewership and participation are what make this channel thrive. We are grateful for your presence and look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.